Hey everyone, today I am doing reversal kind of practice. Like I created one company code, then I'll jump to the screen of FB50 and FB60 or maybe FB70. Then I'll start the configuration and see what all errors I am getting and start resolving all those. And I really found it very helpful to me. I thought of sharing it with you. So it will help you to see as many errors that you can get. Let's begin. First of all, I'll create a company code OX02. Company code is created. Now I will directly jump to the screen of FB50. There is some issue with my F key. Let's switch the company code. So this is my first error. Posting period 225 is not open. Okay. So before this, I'll have to create the posting period variant. This OBB create a posting period variant. Assign this visual company code OBB. What was it? Now open the posting period OB52. New entries, variant is posting period variant A for all of the accounts 1. The year is next for the additional period 13 to 16. Save. Go back to your FB50 screen. It still says posting period. I think I'll have to change the year because fiscal year variant is still not defined. Let me PPVK make it 25. $26. Okay, this error got resolved. Another error is in company code PRAK, the number range is missing. Okay, just keep noting down all these errors. For this error, we need to go to number range, that is document number range. T code was, I don't remember the T code. Let's go with the path. Financial accounting new, global setting, document number ranges. Let's see the T code. OBH1. Okay, check first. There is no number range as of now. I'll just copy to my company code. Fiscal year, standard one, standard company. This is my source company code from which I am copying the range to company code is PRK and execute. Yes, I really want interval added. Now go back to check. Okay, now again go back to our FB50 screen, enter. That error is solved. Now we haven't created any chart of account, so there is no list. There is no list of chart of account. So we need to create chart of account first. For this, OB13 new entries, English 3, save. Assign this chart of account with your company code OB62, company code. My chart of account is same as company code. Okay, now you need to create the account group OBD4. This screen is already open. Now OBD4 new entries. Banding 3 digits numbers. While creating this UA, I have entered length 3 and maximum I think it is 9. I'm not sure, please correct me, but I think the maximum length is 9. Indirect income, direct income, indirect expense, direct expense, and reserve and surplus. It is for retained earning account. Its retained earning account is part of an equity which come on the right hand side of the balance sheet. That is liability plus equity shareholders equals to assets. I'll create this much only. I'll create some more when I need it. Now go back. Okay. Now I need to create the list of GA FS doubles. Okay, before this, create a retained earning account /n OB53. What did I get the range? D4. $501. Now go to FS00 screen. Okay, company code is create. Let's create 501 only. Okay, now I've got another error. What is it? Company code is not assigned to a field status variant. Field status variant controls the the screen where we entered the transactions, document transactions like FB50, FB60, FB70. So that is what FSV controls, and accounts group controls the screen of master data, the fields of master data screen. Okay, let's resolve this error. Go to FB OBC4. OBC4. Copy it from here. Field status variant. Copy all. Save. Now assign this OBC5. Field status variant. Go back. Now try creating a chart of account. Balance sheet. Retained earning. Now create the rest of GL accounts. Okay, for current assets 100 to 199. Bank account GL. Current assets, balance sheet. And this one is simple to create. Next one is 101 outgoing bank account. Current asset, balance sheet. Here select open item management, line item display. Why are we doing this? Because we need to, when we are performing the BRS, we need to transfer the amount from this to the main bank account. That is why it is selected as open item management, so that it keeps showing as an open item. Select check mark this relevant to cash flow, and group is G005. This is it. Yes. Copy for incoming 102. I entered something wrong. Done. Now create for purchase account. Range is indirect expense. Indirect 401. Sorry, P&L. Then purchase sales account. Range is indirect income. INI 300. Okay. 300. Now create the reconciliation accounts. 103 sundry debtors. Do not check mark balance in local currency. Reconciliation is customer. Line item display for customer number is 031 G067 and that's it, I think. Sundry creditors. Current liability range is 200 to 299. Vendor 012 is for vendor. G067. The remaining I think we'll create later on. These fields are enough to form this FB50. Select your purchase, outgoing, purchase account debit to outgoing bank account credit. And you need to enter the value date because bank is involved. Now let's see what another errors we get for performing FB50. GL account 401. Let me do this again. Purchase account debit to outgoing. Fiscal year variant define karo. This is our next error. Go to OB29. Okay, I'll just copy this one. V3. Can you see this? See, FK I have selected, but this is for 2024. Let me see. The financial year is 2024 and periods are decided accordingly. So now I'll have to change open the 2024 period. See why I'm saying this. Let's go back to FB50. Let me assign this first with the code OB37. FK company P RAK pra 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 pra. Do it again. FB50. Select your purchase GL or any expense GL. Debit, credit. Next error is posting period 10. See, if my financial is from April to March, then January, that is 26th of January 2025 becomes the 10th period. How? April, my first period will be April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. December is our ninth period, so 10th period becomes a January as per the financial year of 2024. But the issue is OB52. Here I have taken 2025 from one period to 12. That is why I am getting that error. Let me change the year. Make it 2024 again. Why? Because initially it was not decided what is going to be my financial year, and if you do not do it here, then you will have to change the configuration for the periods. You need to change that. I find it. Okay, that error is gone. Now, this is our next error. No amount tolerance range entered. Oh, it should be OBA4. Let's see. OBA4. Define tolerance group for employees. New entry. Configure. Leave the group part blank for now. PRAK. Save it. An entry is required in the value field. Now I'm hoping there will be no more errors. Simulate. This is a journal entry. Purchase debit. 40 is a posting key for debit. Posting key defines whether it's going to be debit or credit. So 40 is for debit and 50 is for credit. And for all document types, we have different posting keys. Okay. Let's not dive into it. Purchase account debit to outgoing bank account. Post. There is no item category assigned to account. This is our last error, I think. So I need to inactivate the document splitting because by default it is active for all company codes. I don't know the T code. Financial accounting new global no GL. Business transaction document splitting. Activate document splitting. Go to this deactivation. Find your company code and select this. See, this is by default not selected. That means it is active. Select this. Save. Go back. Now do it again. 50. Purchase debit value date simulate and post. Document this posted. Finally we have conquered all the errors. I really like this kind of practice, going back reverse. So if you'd like me to share such kind of videos for the errors, doing the reversal practice, I'll be more than happy to share it with you guys because it's interesting and I'm really liking it a lot because I gets to see many errors. So next I think I'll be doing with FB60 or FB70, then we can move further for like BRS part and GST and what is it, vendor down payment, etc. Thank you. Happy Sunday.